Hey, yo. Yo, Kenny. K. Soliman. What up? Check out my Fibonacci shirt. It looks just like my charts. Mystic Rick, Tim Morgan. How appropriate. How appropriate. I don't even know what the market's. I haven't even looked at the charts yet. AS, what up? I have not even looked. Where are we at? Is Tradeovate fucked up? Ha, Kenny. King Delay, what up? Is Tradeovate fucked up for you guys? I just logged into Tradeovate. I don't even see any fucking charts. I see the charts, but I don't see anything happening. No candles, no order block. The fuck is going on? That's with Lucid. Let me check. Oh, there we go. What the fuck was that all about? Jesus. Fucking A, man. Shit's annoying. All right. I don't like when they're playing with my charts. I don't like people playing on my charts. I keeps it real. Where is it? There we go. Doom Lord. Dan Emmons. Emil. Roro. Paul McGonigal. What up? Eddie. You were at SEMA? Dude, you're here? Are you still here? Why don't you hit me up? I know SEMA's like a huge thing. JK, what up? Dr. D, Crank. What's good? What's good? Is that V33? What up, kid? Hit me up, bro. I'm here. Well, I'm going out tonight. I'm not going to be available today. Nayo, what's up? OG, what up? What up? This shit ain't really moving. Let me see something. Let me see something here. Oh, look. Well, that was before the market even opened. How convenient, though. Wait, no, that's not even right. The fuck am I doing? Hold on. There we go. 618 bounce. Now I'm going to see what yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to make of this yet. What's the NQ doing? Anything? So we gapped up. Did we really gap up 100-something points because of the fucking bullshit government shutdown? Yeah, gold will open it up though. What up? Day trader cut. Gold will eventually start moving, probably when I'm not around. What up, Saeed? Franny. Ah, okay. Yeah, Eddie. I know like that. I know the SEMA event's like a massive fucking thing. Yeah, I don't know what to make of this. I mean, I got to expand this shit. This is what I got to do. I got to get rid of all these fuckers. This one might not be bad. I love trading the Fibonacci. Remove all. We got to start from scratch here because it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what happened. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Now, here's a low. I got to go backwards on TradeAvate. The opposite of what I would do on TradingView. Now I can see what's going on here. Now I can see we got this high right here around, what is that? 4,035, 36. We got all these levels here. So now we're going to see if there's anything I could do here. I might as well put all three of these together. Actually, no, they're not even close. These two, you know where I fucked up on these two? I was literally $300 away, $306 away, realized from another payout from these two accounts, max payout. And instead of fucking pushing it, instead of trying to get it, although I could have gotten it so many fucking times had I just held or got filled, the usual, I should have just stopped trading and be like, I'll get the other 300 on Monday. But no, I wanted it right then and there. I wanted it so bad. I wanted to go into the fucking weekend. You know what I'm saying? That's the shit I got to stop doing. Alfred, what up? Bastard Day. Yoshi, what up? 350 tick gap up on the micro, MNQ. 350 divided by 4 is how many fucking points? 87? It looked like it was a lot more. Hold on a sec. That's the daily. The daily. Fuck this. All right. So we closed here at 226. We opened at 323, just about or just under 321. And then we went up to fucking 390? Jeez. You think we fill the gap and come back down at some point? I don't know. I fucking hate trade. Honestly, I really hate trading the NQ now. I'm not a fucking fan of the NQ. Here we go. 618. We going higher. How many ticks away? 53, 82. That's too many ticks. 618. Let me get out of the 5. Let me go back to the 1 minute. I'm more of a 1 minute man. You know what I'm saying? At least on the chart that I enter my trades. But look, we touched the 618 and we're already down 18 ticks. No, 229 to 18 ticks. Eric J, Bacon, Sean, Robin. Oh, man. Yeah, isn't it funny? You know what happens to me a lot of times, Robin, at least in the past? When I keep going, when I shouldn't have kept going, that's when all of a sudden I can't fucking win a trade to save my life, or all the dumb shit starts happening. All the dumb fuck shit starts happening. It's so fucking annoying. All right, so here's the low a day. Okay, I'm just waiting to see if I could do something before I leave. I got to leave I got to hop off in like 20 minutes. Now, a lot of times I've keep my orders at the 786 and then the 707 is where it rejects. The only thing I don't like about doing that here is there's such a big gap. It's almost 30 ticks between the 707 and the 786 on this fib. So for it to come all the way up here, what if I'm wrong? I'll already be down $300 because I trade with minis. Coach Singh, DBT. Yeah, I clean up pretty good, Bacon. I gave myself a fresh fade. I shaved. I cut my own hair, by the way. Look at, how's the line? How's the line? Good? Not bad, right? See, look. Is it going to be, is it, it almost hit the 707. Not quite, though. Crank. Yeah. You still, Dan, that Project X, what, on the Dom, right? Dan had discovered an issue on the Dom with the stop losses. If you trade on the Dom, your stops, if you try to set stops on the Dom, it won't work on Project SlipX. So you got to do it the other way, like on the chart. Yeah, this is coming up to the 786, I think. I think it's going to keep pushing. But man, nice little move here. Fuck, we're up. How many fucking ticks? We're up 200 ticks already. Sheesh, I missed it. It's 200 fucking ticks. Coach Singh. You know what's funny? We're going out on a hot date because it's our anniversary, our wedding anniversary tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? NQ dumping, gold pumping. You know what's interesting? There used to be that, you know, they work that way, but they've been moving together lately. All day on Friday, they move together. NQ's dumping right now, but NQ pump. Oh, shit. Holy shit. Let's see something. I'm going to draw a happy little Fibonacci. From the high to the low. Oh, look at that. Right off the 618 and the previous day's high. What is that? The previous? Is that Friday's high? The London high. Friday's high was during London. We just rejected hard off of that shit. Almost 100 points. Guys, you see that? You see, guys? You see, guys? Oh, is the 707 is going to fucking hold? Is that what's happening here? Leaders, what up? Someone's getting Italian tonight. Dan, I feel like we've had this conversation before. Yeah, tomorrow. Well, happy early anniversary, Dan. We're going on year 18 being married. That's fucking cool, bro. Eric J, thanks. Congratulations on lasting 18 years. Is that what you're saying? F Trades, what up? You'll get that. They'll take the money, assuming you're going to get paid, right? Assuming they're not going to deny your payout request. Now we just hit the 707. They take the money out of your trading accounts, out of the platform Tuesday night, and then Wednesday morning they send the money. But yeah, that's the thing about Bull and Ox. Like, you had to wait a whole extra week because of when you requested. I requested on Wednesday, I think, or Thursday. The best day to request with Bull and Ox is Friday, but it's just a matter. It depends on when you know how the timing is. If you could time it where you get your day 10, your 10th day in on a Friday, it's fucking golden, because then you get paid like 3 days later. You know what I mean? Yeah, it is very similar. Thanks, Nao. Thank you. Thank you. Let's all congratulate Dan, too, because his anniversary is tomorrow as well. Look at that shit. Fuck me. This is what I was afraid of. It's not down a whole bunch. It's like 25 ticks. But you know what? 25 ticks is $250. Let's look at the NQ. Interesting. Lower. Esteban. Yeah, bro. I know the feeling, man. What up, Will? I know the feeling. I mean, I had a fucking dude. I was fucking golden on Friday. All I had to do was not fucking fuck up, or just not keep on trading, or hold, or let. There was a trade. There was an order I had in. Literally, my order was like right here, right on the fucking line, and it didn't get filled on a sim funded account. It didn't get filled, and it fucking dropped like quick too. It would have been more than enough for me to get my max payout. It's just funny how shit like that happens. So when like I'm pretty good at recognizing the fuckery that is approaching, I got to just be better at stopping it. I just be like, you know what? I'm $306 away. I'll fucking deal with it on Monday because it ain't happening now. How many fucking chances did I have? But I still have the accounts. I still have them, but now I got to build them back. I got to build back better, which is fucking annoying. Oh, here we go. I might get a shot. Here. I hope it happens before I fucking leave. Although, you know, you long in what? Gold or NQ? App trades. I'll tell you guys, I'm going out on a hot date. It's a classified location. Undisclosed location. I'll tell you guys tomorrow. Mamba Lambo, come hang out on the stream for Power Hour tomorrow, and I'll tell you where we ended up going. It's classified. Thanks, man. Thank you. Yeah, we're going. Yeah, exactly. We're going to Sizzler. We're going to fucking Sizzler, son. We're going to Red Lobster. Going to the Rhino. Yeah, me and the missus. I'm going to the Rhino for my 18th wedding anniversary. Fuck yeah. She likes that shit. Yeah, see? You see, guys, the 707. I wonder if it's going to hold here. I'm going to be so fucking pissed. What's NQ doing? NQ bounced 40 fucking points off this 618 right here. I mean, I could have made the low somewhere else at the open, but whatever. This is fine. It's not a bad spot. Jason. Thanks, Alfred. Hot shot. What up? Thank you. Red Robin. Yeah. We're going to Whack Arnold's. We're definitely going to be going to a casino. I can tell you that much. Anytime we do like a date night, we'll eat and we'll gamble. I like to play roulette. We play the kids' numbers, and usually works out pretty good, although the last couple of times I lost. I'm gonna order extra fucking anchovies. All right, let me go back to gold. What the fuck is going? Am I really not going to be able to place a trade here? Look, I think we're going to drop here. I have a feeling. I feel it in my loins. I don't know. Just in case we go the other way, maybe I could catch a bounce. See, like here, 162. Like, I'm not opposed to putting an order at the 707 here and then another order down here at the 786 because they're tight. It's a tight range. So like I won't be down 300, 350 bucks if I fucking do that, you know, like if I were to do that here, I'd be down like almost 300. Yeah, Dan, I know. You got a good point there. I want the vibes going by getting filled at the 786 and getting a nice dumper Ruski. But I'm running out of time. I'm running out of time. So, Jordan, what up? What are my thoughts on daily loss limits? I don't love them, but there's been times when if it wasn't for the daily loss limit, I probably would have blown the account. So they could be a saving grace. And then there's been other times when I hit the daily loss limit in a trade that I probably shouldn't have held as long as I did. And then sure enough, as soon as the daily loss limit hits, it's almost like a bottom ticking or top ticking. And my trade would have played out, you know? So it's, you know, it's a catch-22. I hit the daily loss limit in these two when I was fucking $300 from a max payout on both of them. The second time getting a payout from these. But there's some, like, I'm okay. You know here's where I don't mind daily loss limits. When you don't lose the account if you hit it. I don't mind those at all. It sucks because it's annoying, but as long as I could trade the account tomorrow, then it's fine. Take Profit Trader had a daily loss limit until the beginning of this year, where if you hit the daily loss limit, your account was blown, and it was fucking torture. JTF, what up, man? Oh, thanks, Sean. To you and Alfred. It's It's Dan's anniversary. Tomorrow. That's funny. Yeah, me and Alfred are celebrating our anniversary together. Mwah. It's ma'am. What's going on here? Yeah, I don't know. It's just a fuck. You know, it's just a whatever. It's just whatever. Sometimes you could. I mean, look at this drop. I mean, I'm doing what I can to avoid trading funded accounts with the NQ, but this was nice. Almost 100 points. That was like 88 points from here, off the 618 on this high. No doubt, Jordan. Nice recovery. Alfred. Yeah, this shit ain't moving. I mean, this kind of looks like it's like consolidating to some degree, but they're just, I don't know, there's not much juice in the market yet. In a couple of hours, gold will be moving pretty good. Gold will move pretty good for like, I mean, shit, we already have a fuck. Look at this range on gold already. 240 ticks, 239 ticks already. Yeah, this ain't happening. It ain't happening, guys. I know what's going to happen, though. Obviously, I'm going to have to cancel my order, but it's going to hit the 786, and it's going to fucking be a nice little dumperooski. Brandy Allen, what's up? F trades. Yeah, it looks like it wants to go up another leg. I just don't like playing. The fibs have been serving me so well. Why would I fuck with anything else? You know, and it obviously confluences, you know, top orb, bottom orb, the VWAP. I just don't want to, I'll wait on the breakout and wait for it to hit my order at a fib level. That's just me. I don't want to deviate from what, like, I mean, assuming Bullinox has no issue with my accounts that I requested 3,000 on, and trade day, I don't know. I requested money on Friday. I sent an email to them as how I have to do it, but I never heard back from them. So I don't know how it works with the live account with trade day. I can't do it from the dashboard. I hit up like chat support and they told me to just send them an email, but I don't know. I don't know how it works. But I requested 625 from trade day and 3,000 from Bullinox. So assuming I get all of it, That puts me at 17,000 fucking, well, I'll end up with 500 from trade day after they take their 20%. But that gives me, that puts me at $17,588 in 3 weeks. And it's mostly from, it's 90% of it is from trading the fibs. Almost 100% is from trading the fibs. 90% of it is from trading gold with the fibs. So why would I fucking deviate from that? So I'll just wait. I'll just wait for this shit to do whatever it does. And then my order's up here. And obviously I'm about to fucking leave in 5 minutes. So I'm going to cancel the order. And that's it. I'll just wait for another opportunity. As soon as I, like, I've been posting fibs in the Discord for a while, but always on the larger time frames. As soon as I realized and noticed that the fibs are playing out all day on very short time frames, all fucking day, throughout the day. As soon as I discovered that and I started trading that shit and the larger time frames, that's when that's pretty much where I found my edge. I could say with confidence that that is my fucking edge. Maybe I just got lucky. Maybe I just got lucky. I don't know. But I've been on a fucking crazy run. And I still fucked myself out of a ton of money. Could you imagine if I wasn't such a fucking careless trader, wasn't a sloppy sometimes, as sloppy and reckless as I am, probably would have made another 10, 15 grand just on Apex. Yeah, I learned about the golden shower pocket from him like years ago before Trade Iffy was a twinkle in his eye. When he was running his fucking option signals thing. He did a really cool video on the fibs, and then between that and then this dude from Trading Wars, I learned a lot about the fibs, and I always believed in them. I just never really executed the best on them until recently. Maximus, what up? Yeah, I found other shit that works for me, but like this right here, man. Derek Jeter has an edge. Now I feel like I have an edge. TJP, what's good? Ronnie. F trades, bro. Oh, man, I've been there. Options exchange, what up? Yeah. Trade day's great, man. Yeah, dude, I'm well aware of how fast trade day pays. My issue is I have a live account with them now because I maxed that shit the fuck out. Now I'm live and I can't just go and request from when you're live, you can't just go into your dashboard, your trade day account and request from there like you can with a sim funded. It's different. I have to send an email asking, can you please pay me $600? That's what I had to do. That's what the fucking chat support told me to do. Send an email to that specific email address. So I got to like reach out to them and be like, how are we supposed to do this? I don't want to be annoying. Just tell me what I'm supposed to do. Even though chat told me, but I want them to tell me. It's like a separate fucking email address I communicate with. I got paid $8,287 in a 5-day span, and they pushed me to live. They didn't even tell me to keep trading. Yeah, this shit's gonna do something soon. Probably. Yeah, I'm gonna miss it though. I'm gonna miss it. Why don't I trade funded next? I don't know. I don't think they're the best. But if you do, that's great. They are. I mean, they're definitely competing. They've been around for a while. I never heard the greatest things about them on the fucking, what were they? CFD? The fucking, Forex shit. I didn't hear the greatest things about them on the Forex side. So I kind of stayed away from them, and I'm letting that shit. I'm sitting around waiting to see if they're going to fucking do the right thing on the future side. And I trade with Apex, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, Bullinox, Lucid, fucking My Funded Futures. I trade with all of these firms. Like, how many more firms am I supposed to trade with? I was asking people, what should I trade with next? Lucid, funded next, trade iffy, and Lucid kept winning. So I went with Lucid. And all I heard about Lucid was how fast they pay and all this other good shit. So I went with them. And they do pay like literally instantly. Just about. Yeah, Nail, yeah, you can. You get a different dashboard. You get like a special dashboard just for people that are live, which is what they call Pro Plus, and you can request there. But trade day, I can't request from the dashboard. Not Take Profit Trader. By the way, Take Profit Trader is 40% off a no activation fee. Trade day is 30% off a no activation fee. Apex is 70% off with that $40 lifetime activation fee. The lowest all-in cost for 25Ks and 50Ks ever, as far as I know, at least in the last 2 years. My Fund the Futures, I don't know if they're doing anything right now, but put my code in anyway because it's the best fucking code. Bullinox is 75% off. Lucid's 40% off. Anything, and an extra 5% off for new users when you put in the best code ZERODAYJAY for all of them. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to trade. This sucks. This sucks. I wanted to at least catch something, but probably better that way. I didn't lose money. This 707 is holding right now. Maybe it stays holding. I'm looking forward to seeing. I think it comes up to here and then it drops the 786 here, but I don't know. It's just. Yeah, I heard they're coming with a daily payout plan. Kevin Tobias. I heard about that. Corey, what up? Thank you. Patrick. Once you go live, 1. Just like Top Step, just like My Fund the Futures. Take Profit Trader, you could have as many as 5 at the same time. Weekend was good. I played baseball. It's always a good weekend when I get to play baseball. And now I'm about to go out on a hot date with my lady. Yo, exactly. It's not even. It's 56, bro. 40 plus 16 is 56. Isn't that insane, bro? Or do you have to pay like a VAT fee or something? Yeah, it's not really moving though. It's not really. What did it do? It went up like 20 ticks. It's still deciding what it wants to do. It's just cucking right now. We're in a cuck range. It's going to break out one way or the other, right? But we're in a little cuck range here. Anyway, guys, I got to bounce because I'm going to leave in a few minutes. We got to stop by the house, drop some shit off there, and then we're going to go do everything we had planned. So. Yeah, gold was amazing, but yo, TJP, it's already has a 240 tick range today, so it might have a 600 to 800 tick range when it's all said and done, whichever way it decides to move. But yeah, I got to bounce. So sorry I couldn't take a trade. It just didn't get filled. It didn't happen. It's gonna happen after. I feel like the 786, which is at 4,028.2. If it hits it, I think it'll reject, at least for a scalping opportunity similar to this. Maybe this holds here and drops lower. I don't know. All I know is I'm annoyed because I wanted to do something, but whatever. It is what it is. I'll trade later. Maybe I'll stream later too. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for hanging out. Smash the like button on your way out for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss when I go live. I stream every single day for Power Hour 2 through close, and then random times like right now. All right, guys? Have a great day. Have a great night. I'll see you guys in the Discord later. Peace.